Dear children, I feel proud to wish you all on this special day. You are the little angels of God and greatest treasure on this land. The world is not possible without sun, moon and stars. Likewise, the life is not possible without you. You are the most precious thing on this land. You are the future, so nurture only the good thing. Wish you all happy and joyful Children's Day.
Happy morning, everyone. Verse from the Bible, Mark chapter 10, verse 14. Jesus said, "Let the children come to me, and do not keep them away, for of such is the kingdom of God." Yes, dear children, as Jesus said, the kingdom of God belongs to you. Each and every one of you is a gift of God. Each child has gifted with a special talent. You are all blessed and lead success in your mother's home itself. Today is your day. Be happy. On this special day, I wish you all a happy Children's Day. May God bless you abundantly and give you wisdom, knowledge, power, obedience and good health. Dear Amjad Ahmed, your calm and good in sports. Wish you a happy Children's Day. Dear Arul and Olympia, you are good and smart. Wish you a happy Children's Day. Dear Asma Begum, you are positive and friendly. Wish you a happy Children's Day. Dear Balaji, you are kind and friendly. Wish you a happy Children's Day. Dear Balakumar, you are polite and fearless. Wish you a happy Children's Day. Dear Bhumika, you are bold and kind. Wish you a happy Children's Day. Dear Darshan, you are humble and intelligent. Wish you a happy Children's Day. Dear Divagar, you are quiet and hardworking. Wish you a happy Children's Day. Dear Hariharan, you are bold and good in studies. Wish you a happy Children's Day. Dear Harshini, you are modest and intelligent. Wish you a happy Children's Day. Dear Hamish, you are calm and good in sports. Wish you a happy Children's Day. Dear Jasnia, you are polite and possessive. Wish you a happy Children's Day. Dear Jose Melvin Lawrence, you are bold and friendly. Wish you a happy Children's Day. Dear Joshua, you are quiet and smart. Wish you a happy Children's Day. Dear Kalanidhi Moran, you are calm and obedient. Wish you a happy Children's Day. Dear Kanishka, you are smart and modest. Wish you a happy Children's Day. Dear Loyal Varun, you are calm and loyal. Wish you a happy Children's Day. Dear Manigandan, you are obedient and friendly. Wish you a happy Children's Day. Dear Muhammad Khan, you are good and smart. Wish you a happy Children's Day. Dear Muhammad Muhassal, you are calm and humble. Wish you a happy Children's Day. Dear Noella Magdalene, you are modest and intellectual. Wish a happy Children's Day. Dear Ovia, you are quiet and good. Wish a happy Children's Day.
There comes a time when we hear you
Dear Perarasu, you are positive and consistent. Wish a happy Children's Day.
as one. There are people dying.
Dear Praveen Kumar, you are kind and fearless. Wish a happy Children's Day.
Gift of all. We can go on.
Dear Ranjani,
Pretend
you are good and friendly. Wish a happy Children's Day.
somewhere this will make a change. We are on a path.
Dear Rogan, you are responsible and intelligent.
And believe
Wish a happy Children's Day.
in your love's all we need.
Dear Saktivel, you are calm and friendly. Wish a happy Children's Day.
We are the ones who make a prize a day, so let's start giving.
Dear San Jennifer, you are enthusiastic and good in dancing. Wish a happy Children's Day.
Our own lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me.
Dear Sandrina Maria, you are an intellectual and spiritual student. Wish a happy Children's Day.
I know that someone cares, and they'll
Dear Sadhana, you are positive and friendly. Wish a happy Children's Day.
there's God who's showing us. By turning
Dear Srisant, you are quiet and good in studies. Wish a happy Children's Day.
hand, we are the world.
Dear Sujit Kugan, you are smart and adjustable. Wish a happy Children's Day.
Prize a day, so let's start giving.
Dear Sweta, you are friendly and fearless. Wish a happy Children's Day.
We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day.
Dear Tanush Kumar, you are calm and positive. Wish a happy Children's Day.
There seems no hope at all.
Dear Darshini, you are modest and friendly. Wish a happy Children's Day.
We can fall.
Dear Trisha, you are quiet and good. Wish a happy Children's Day.
When we stand together as one, we are the world.
Dear Vince Savio,
We are
you are calm and sincere. Wish a happy Children's Day.
to make a prize a day, so let's start giving.
Dear Vishnu, you are positive and good in studies. Wish a happy Children's Day.
It's true, we make a better day, just you and me.
Dear Vivian Michael, you are calm and friendly. Wish a happy Children's Day.
We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day, so let's.
Dear Yogeshwaran, you are obedient and good. Wish a happy Children's Day.